Hey babs. Hey babs, it's your girl Brie Angelique and I am back with another video. So I'm thinking about bringing you guys something different today. I am still moving around. Like this is clearly not my house. Like I'm at an Airbnb right now. However, I left my circle light and my backdrop in two different locations, neither of which are here. So I'm thinking about bringing you guys a hair video today instead of a makeup video. I know that I usually do makeup routines on my channel. However, Brie Angelique Beauty incorporates more than just makeup. I want you guys to feel beautiful from the inside out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Bab Squad. And if you subscribe, you might as well click the notification bell, because how else are you gonna know when I record videos and when I post stuff for you guys? So I just wanna show you guys how I tame my short little mane. And by the way, I cut my hair off myself. This is the second time that I have done so. This is my second big chop, so if you guys want a big chop story or a natural hair journey or whatever, any more videos about my hair, just comment below and let me know what you want to see. I'm talking with my hands so much today. With that being said and without further ado, I love you guys so much. Thanks for sticking around with me, and let's get into the hair. So we're gonna need a towel, some Eco Styler gel, Cantu leave-in conditioner, tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and a small black comb. You can get all these from your beauty supply store. So the first step to getting your life together is definitely assessing the situation, like seeing what damage we're working with. Can I do my hair without fully soaking it in the shower and washing it with shampoo? Or can I just, keep it moving? Luckily for me, today was one of my keep it moving days. So all you have to do is, if you have a spray bottle, this part will be a lot easier. Just make sure you get your hair pretty much soaking wet, but not completely as if you just got out the shower, if that makes sense. I forgot to get my t-shirt before the video started, but you're definitely gonna need a t-shirt just to get some of that initial moisture out your hair. So the first product we're gonna take is the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So as you can see, it has a lot of slip to it. It's very creamy. A little bit goes a long way, but I have thick hair. So if you have thick, coily hair like mine, you're gonna wanna use, like, when it's all said and done, about a handful. The thing to remember when you are moisturizing and putting leave-in conditioner in natural hair is that you want to work the product and you want to make sure that it's really getting into the hair and penetrating the hair, and it's not just sitting on top. So you just want to get in there and really rub it all in, rub all these products in thoroughly. The next product we want to use after using your leave-in conditioner is an oil. I prefer to use tea tree oil because it's an antifungal oil and it also prevents dry, itchy scalp. So I use a generous amount of that in my scalp as well as on the shaft of the hair, just to make sure that it's locking in the moisture that the leave-in conditioner put in. This part is completely optional, but this is how I choose to wear my TWA. I love putting my part in on the right side. So now you'll just be seeing me put in my part with the little black comb. Just want to make sure everything is straight, and then I like to swoop it around, give it a little bit of a curve. That's what you see me doing right now, just so that it can be a little more feminine and not look like half my hair got hacked off. So at this point, my hair is moisturized enough for me to go through with the widest part of the comb and detangle. And I know you're supposed to go from the ends to the root, but my hair is so short right now that I don't care. Like, I'm just gonna do it the way I do it. I'm sorry if I offend anyone. No breakage. Only 2 more steps left. So take your Jamaican black castor oil and apply that to your edges. So I would just like to say that no, my edges are not falling out, and no, I don't have any breakage damage from them. However, they've always been a little bit thinner than I would like them. So I applied castor oil to help stimulate the growth. The final product we're going to use is the Eco Styler Gel. I use the green one. I don't really like any of the other ones. I've tried the clear, I've tried the pink, and I've tried the argan oil one, but the olive oil one by far is the only one that doesn't leave my hair super dry. It still has a little bit of a drying effect on it, but it's not too crazy. Now, how much of this product that you use is completely up to you. I'll just walk you through what I use it for. I first put it on my part, as you can see, just to define the part and lay it down. And using the smallest part of the comb, I'll just comb through and just lay those edges down and slick down my part. If you need a little extra help laying down some of those unruly coils, go ahead and flip the comb around and use the back side of it to help you smooth down that part and get off some of that extra product. So taking more of that gel, you're going to rub it in your hands until you have like a nice little layer, and then just kind of pounce it on the ends of the hair and then rub your hands in circular motions. I only recommend this for people whose hair is my length, maybe a little bit longer or shorter, because if you do it like this with your hair long, like, you're just gonna have a lot of frizz. I wouldn't do this when I was in my longer stage of my growing out my hair. From here on out, it's pretty simple. All you do is go through and define the curls that you think should be defined. Like, for example, as you can see, I'm doing the curls that make up my part, and then I'll do the ones that frame my face, and a few in the back, like towards the nape of my neck, just to look a little put together and cute. So go ahead and define anything you want defined, and then I'll see you guys in the check back. Alright guys, welcome back. This is the finished look. Ooh, this sunlight got these curls looking luscious. There's a white cast over my hair right now just because it needs to dry, because there's still like conditioner mixed up with gel and oil. So once my hair dries down, I'll take some pictures and post them on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me at @BrieAngelique Beauty, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.